What's up guys? Today I want to talk about a product that I've been using for the last couple of months to help measure, manage and track my blood glucose readings, and that is the GMate Smartphone Glucometer from 𝐃𝐎𝐄 Malaysia. Now, full disclosure, this is a sponsored post, but I have been using this product consistently for the last couple of months, and my one condition of doing a video review was that it would be an honest one. But I'm very happy to honestly say that I'm very happy with the GMate. I would thoroughly recommend it to anybody in Malaysia with type 1 or type 2 diabetes, and there are plenty of very cool features about it which I'm going to share with you right now. The first thing you notice about this meter when you start using it is the size. It's roughly the size of a medium-sized coin, and as many diabetics will tell you, size does matter, because the compact size means that it comes in a compact carrying case, about half the size of a usual one, which makes making space for it in your handbag or your man bag all the easier. So this is the GMate Smart, which plugs into the headphone or audio jack of your phone. There is another model called the GMate On, which plugs into the Type-C or micro USB port. So whatever smartphone you've got, there is a GMate meter ready for you to plug in. And if your phone doesn't have an audio jack, like one of the later iPhone models for example, you can just use the simple standard headphone adapter. But for me, really, the best thing about this meter is in the name itself, the GMate Smartphone Glucometer. It turns your phone into a meter and a logbook. And let's face it, we don't go anywhere without our phones these days. So it's really nice to have something on hand all the time which gives you an instant and accurate and up-to-date insight into what you and how your blood sugars are doing. And the app allows you to log your data and information with a lot of extra detail, which is really important to help put your blood sugar readings into a proper context. For example, it allows you to log your meals, input your exercise intensity and duration that day, even your blood pressure and cholesterol if you know them, so that you can add all of this contextual information to your readings and understand and pick out patterns, trends and fluctuations on a day-to-day basis, as well as get an overall bigger picture of how you're doing across weeks and months. Another really cool feature is that you can key in your caregiver's email address, and the app will easily produce PDF reports that are ready to share straight away, whether via email or WhatsApp or any other messaging service you actually prefer. I haven't had any issues with the app, but one thing I would point out is that when you're having a hypo, say if you wake up in the middle of the night sweating and shaking, those extra few seconds it takes to load up the app and plug the equipment in does feel like a lot longer than those few seconds. And so it's not always perfect when you're having a low blood sugar and you need to know just how low so that you can treat it correctly. So I did carry a backup meter with me on some occasions, but for the most part, this was honestly the meter that I've used the most consistently in all my 10 years of being a diabetic so far. Another really good thing about this meter is the price. It is genuinely very competitive against other meters currently out there on the market that don't offer the same level of customization and convenience. So like I said, I would thoroughly recommend this meter to any type 1 or type 2 diabetic living in Malaysia. You can visit 𝐃𝐎𝐄 Malaysia's website to check out where you can get your hands on one and order online, and if you use the promo code in the caption below, you'll get 20% off your order. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching, and if you do get your hands on one of these meters, let me know what you think about it, because I would love to hear about your experience. Thank you.